Good evening. Minga wakwalo radio TV. Make the punchline. We bahanye yefia yenye keje. Sania Bokweba Boli Ghana, the greatest ever, the finest of all, undisputed. Bomo onu papa ne Ingbeka Biashi, mi boy lala tue bo. Mi uncle ko Boli. Na ke Ghana must go Nigeria Nigeria. Nigeria ba. Nigeria ba. Kefie here naka na bile the way that na cassette na ka wo mi. Ne ke tesilebi ke ni radio for a show that's be ni more mi ne ke ni Twalumba Charles Kojo Fusu. Kajengbe ka biasi ni class 3 ni mbole table e ke sika e say Kojo Fusu akefe if you obnakbe Paddy man is the greatest ever ne some few days ago ne ebale ake Kojo Fusu wakanchi ni egu anas we twa ne ordinary a kire dan ane the whole Ghana including Obia parliamentarian, Obia Boji Kojo Fusu. So nipa ote enkwamua unya adofo ba base ufimu a ansa na obehu se ye building akawasempa Kojo Fusu bibia wo bia no na memfa ukransi Welcome again. Mr. Patrick Johnson, the General Secretary of the Ghana Boxing Authority. Then you can let your studio back in there. Good evening, Patrick.
Good evening.
Tete.
Fane Dromo.
Boli Kojo Fusu, Charles Kojo Fusu.
Oh, in the Charles Kojo Fusu Ojoba. No watch all like that the Lumba ne ba chake be to DL. In the Ojoba ni mbole to me in smaller lawa. No ke o you about burger high life. I want to ame time efe no me mbola la to our man ko ye yani first yani die blacksmith ye la te bi okoshi so le bra ko fi no me records no me I use on I can play 10 atwa I can go jumping for no ne twa ni man e twa e lala wa no cha se in the lala wa ni imbole to nkeche no na twa ne no no akeshi Eeshã say she was careful ko yo aji money ke han le John money mi o fi o mi e hi ono ke be share be ni yo we to han le ju na akeshi e ba yi ye shipon ne no ni e ba chu no ni sa e ke mi share e wo ma twi ami na e fi an ye atwela la ye no wo is a legend ni jemu kuni wo yin ba pe no mene wo yin ba pe no wo no ke mene yowa echele yowa kala to ojoba ni hale henisa ye etowole
Patrick mini elala ni osumuwa loke onu sheki
ona ke mi ke fe be pe ke mi wolo ko me doubt of few inlejo wa no me elala ni like beats yo me one again insumo abin wa ha wa den chenike atwa abin wa ha incho is one of the songs ni insumo ke ankwanuma me me crab baba for incho ke lewe e ba twi no ke be share
asene breso
no onu okọ
ana ne breso aso
na
ana kojo so kwampa
exactly
as far back 1993 ana ye started ball kojo ewuto se kojo awu 93 ana ye started na me yin sai you feel one time bia no pa ana me tell so omoka na me mama tie news ana e bat sa and asam ne pa na me mama tie mu kojo daddy lumba na numre no asa me fee school bar around 3-4 ana me tell so omoka so we nya ne kre apart from 93 you know there are so many ways ya bono ewuto but then yankopon no onti se alatani and also onye nifa so ati ase onye benku yankopon de oyo twedi ampon yankopon ono bo so ne asase adi nyina ahye ne nsa bibie ni ho wa asase so ebesi a yankopon oni ho bibia ne yankopon so beka se enye ho no eno ana ye ho no nipa de se ni die obetimi awo ahoden obetimi enya japade obetimi enya biase bibia wo bia so ati ase but then the greatest wo biase nyina ene otwedi ampon yankopon so otwedi yankopon a otwade ye kese pa menka se bibi ni biase o ji bibia di wo biase bibia wo din ye wo biase no se ne saman wo din wo biase no saa da bibia wo biase bia no ese wo jidi be se wo se saa ne ya magi nyina achi no ne ye kokroko na ye kese ne edore na eso ebai etre aye otwedi ampon yankopon ono no ye ade nyina so tumfu ena numre mama yetie kodofo su for the last time
Mayo samaye samaye moiko amedwa udabe muni adakatia
Obia kwa jino hao
adakatia
Intie nyanza fosi ya
mumbi foto anipambe dichebyo
Ade olemi lala ne insumo wa pem do pem na do pem and time eke kwe etumo kodokomoto eke ukuma pema apem beba so ati asie crop ya sante so ukuma pema apem beba so ati asie sanso na kodofo su se pem betan na pem nso ebedo
sa
ubenya nipa pem onyo mohwe se dia o lead you life se dia o kwa wo ba one ma ye krampo no enye obia na beye ne fe se na wiase no onyo obia obepe wasen so ati ase enti me wadofo me watamfo na se na wiase no tie Jesus Christ of Nazareth oba ye no kra no wadofo no watamfo omo ye ni yodium no omo an omo ye no crucify him so ati ase enti se o watamfo o wiase a mane mbo hu ana mane nya oya ana mane nya onwanwa esese wugitum se wiase a wo imu nko ade ubenya atamfo no enya adofo sa na wiase ne tie ana mebo Patrick
na kan pepepe because jele miele call ye numo ko enya be je gboma de sanjibo ni call ye ni me sumo bo je gboma de sanjibo nchon no ani ngale ekeshin 1,000 shall fall at that side, 10,000 at the right hand side, but they will never come nigh you.
That is Psalm
91.
Psalm 91.
Yeah. No, jele miele. It's I go expect akishi. Como ke mo fia mo sumo bele there's a problem with you. No, obana le 50-50. And that many young boy they I'm encourage you no you feel ni bi ojuba. Exactly. Menu sumo boy hano na akishi no feel you are doing the right thing. No one kind. It's a 50-50 affair. Yeah. But it's no no discourage job. No hano na swollen headed. It's a call balance as bomadi san koneniani. That is life. I mean, to make you able to reach where you're supposed to reach in life.
Of course, that is life. For you to get where you're supposed to be, you must pass through all this.
Exactly.
And Kojo Fosu went through a lot. So many stuff was said about him. So many things. Or say, yasi opema na ode oshadifi o ne demo na ema nyemre no mo afifi wo demo enti se yasi opema afi de obepia kwa abonten akwa pema no na afa mo hu se opema ni yie omo mo atimi aka no se ni ompe se omo ka no so I say that Lumba, I think we must build an institution for Daddy Lumba. For me, there are so many musicians we have in this country. Papa ba konso aname pena numpa ye nanampedu. Old nanampedu.
Yeah.
So what you say?
Obey nana apim dako.
Also we are titifu ni bi pa.
Oh, they won't say me pe. Say me ka just say me pe bon. Dem so me pe ada dem pa ena boga high life as well. In charge say on say me obi a me penyum.
Do we un mo hini ba kisi?
Oh, when ba kisi mu nyina dey say na mami ka say boga high life time na no mu so omu pie lido dumu Thomas Frimpong mu ni niam nyina omu nyina say so me I love music and I think it has helped me a lot. That's why I also sing in church as well.
Oh, you are a chorister?
No, I'm a praise and worship leader.
Oh, praise and worship
leader, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So,
Mr. Patrick Johnson is in the studio here. He's the General Secretary of the Ghana Boxing Authority. Once again, I told me Ken Reginald. Me the host of the Punchline, the Omashi TV radio every Tuesday, 8 to 9 p.m. Mondays, 1 to 2 p.m. Obanye omomi huye Omashi TV Monday, Wednesdays, Friday. The Friday, 8 to 9. Ne hu beka me the big night fight. Ne the general one, the one and only. General kaka ba wi sana nya wi sana. On the spot, on the big fight night every Friday, 8 to 9, you catch me too on the big fight night. That is Monday 1 to 2 p.m. Wednesday 1 to 2, Friday 1 to 2, Friday evening 8 to 9, and Tuesdays 8 to 9 on the porch night as well. Patrick, tete once again.
Dromo, Reg.
Mediano, Ghana Boxing Authority.
Well, recently, I mean, the happenings of Ghana Boxing Authority. Dromo na well, fair one magazine. I'm a president. Resign. It's in the Ghana. The acting president, Roger Bano. Nilau able modagation able to put all the pieces together. Yani former president she alone a take kaje jemme katata mini election be bashe no at this juncture no jinonimi anye bia na Ghana Boxing.
When I heard of your appointment once again as coming back to the GBA, I was so glad. What you need, yeah. Wole way joba. Ni noni ofe GB. We ne bale na kan. Ake bashe kunu beje. There were some lapses. Ne no obaba ke. I'm sure ke you put stuffs in place so we get the best for Ghana Boxing in general. Well, National Sports Authority. I mean, I'm appointable.
National Sports Authority ke. GBA Fanny come together and I'm agree akashi in back to boxing as the consultation or collaboration with National Sports Authority in consultation with the GBA secretary na metawo. Then the National Sports Authority will appoint the person or will give the person a letter that look, you have been appointed to this place. No, yeah. I need to go back, listen to whatever has gone on, where the loopholes are the knowledge, and then how I'm going to, work to help. Also, I have to, support them.
Well, Ojoyake as GBA president, a big ake a badnam noni yano ye GBA ne as a secretary okay PRO ye fe paperwork here.
There be on in every association, the president and the secretary general are the people who are being held responsible in case of any issue. The president has every right to know whatever is going on. But secretary general, president, you are going to put yourself into problem. Everything, the president needs to know before you, the secretary general, feeding the PRO with whatever information he needs to. Then he will carry it from there as the public relations officer to the public.
Is there any recommendation from the NSC?
Oh, in what sense, Akeshi?
In terms of former president Kote Nikwe, resigning. No buy, boy NSC. Well, no buy. Did they give you some guideline that you must follow? Or is there any?
Oh, definitely. But Akeshi, new director general is well experienced in sports and in media too as well. So the person is full of he's an experienced person. Definitely like a be yaheko. If I'll advise, I can look, do this, don't do this, do that, don't do that. I'm also experienced in the business. I've been with NSA for so many years. No, Mama Chunuchmon is still having such an appointment to go and support GB, and wherever they are, I should come out with whatever to lift them to the next level.
GBA, NSC, are you guys planning to educate boxers and technical men? Is there any plan like that?
Oh yes, recently happening. Say the recommendations can be like a committee in the ministry said like a recommendation say we need to be updating and on the training and on also giving more information to the stakeholders, the boxers, whoever is concerned to boxing needs to be educated for them to understand whatever your boxing mean. Because ohana meloni yano juba ehani ni chuma femi aflo juba no bia ne actual mechanism in bamo, a lot of mechanism mbani incho by educate all the people, all the stakeholders on the grounds to run GBA smoothly.
But rankings, top to WBC, WBA, WBO, IBF. In this time around, what boxers say, I'm a better ranking name. What do you think is the main problem?
Beni is time. Like a big magazine, we will find ourselves a lot in the ranking. They were penny happen on your side. It happened in other countries as well. She all say man. J excuse me. We need to do our homework very well. We need to like the US I guess what chon what boxers say, what coaches say, nibi nisa. Nisa can me fini all the time. What boxers say will be in the ratings. Whichever, okay, WBO, IBO, WBC, IBF, WBF, we need to, educate them to know how we are going to, be. The convention is also needed, going to convention continuously enable us to, I mean, fight for our boxers to be rated. Because when you have conventions, na can be like Mokoba na rate leni maybe your boxer appointment na can more than because you don't go and advocate for your boxers. Say, Kevin and Kawaki, I'm a bad ratings. No, we have a lot to do. I mean, it is not one person's job. Market the Secretary General, the President, or the PRO. No, it's a teamwork from the gym to the President of the GBA. Everybody needs to, I mean, put in something.
Who's supposed to represent Ghana at the convention?
Yeah.
I tried sometime going to the convention. I mean the IBF, the International Boxing Federation Convention. That was last year. I did everything. I had everything on board, but I was refused the entry.
Okay.
Sure. And who's supposed to be at convention?
The convention, any from the GBA board, the managers and promoters. Okay. So I would say that even all the stakeholders needs to be at the convention to know what is happening on the machine. The convention, Jenny, we advocate for O-Box Ape. Convention, a creator friendship on the machine. A matchmaker will meet a matchmaker. A manager will meet a manager. A promoter will meet a promoter. A president will meet a president. No, I just get rapport. If it big, no, okay. Onya nyune a matchmaking ambo kune top boxer kuno quickly I mini a divert cable all will generate income into the system. It also enable the people who are supporting a particular boxer and at least our boxer long way na fight BBBBB where expenses no yeah but you know everybody needs to go there. A licensee onumishi, you need to go there to create that atmosphere, to get opportunity for your boxer to fight internationally, to get opportunity for your boxer to be rated, to get more chances to fight. No, every stakeholder, let me put it this way, every licensee or every stakeholder who is in good standing needs to go there to also go and learn.
Including media guys and...
Oh yes, you need to go.
So why do the embassy sometimes refuse to give entry?
Well, Jamie le emani ne ba ke ba gishi insumo no ba ya Emmanuel GB beloko de ba fi mi bole chalo dum so ben bomo ga shi mi ma ni ano ya obenoko no ba fi. So the next time bo ba fi shakishi things that you needed to, I mean, to qualify you to that, you do it and then present it, then you just go.
Why has it taken Ghana 4 or 5 years to get a world champion?
Okay, no, I think about Benin because it took Ghana 10 years after Zuma Nelson in another title down till Isaac Dogbe. No, Benin.
So Isaac Dogbe.
Yes.
Azuma Nelson
10 years now another title. Even more, if I still.
You mean I Kote or Isaac Dogbe?
Azuma Benin no name title for by Kote Bano. I Kote na title into other guys say Bano. She 10 years after another title go down.
Yeah, Isaac Dogbe neba na.
Isaac Dogbe.
Hello.
Isaac Dogbe neba wo WBO. WBO they break na can Richard come umba.
Where after Azuma Nelson 1 hour title.
1 hour title.
Isaac Dogbe. What of I Kote's title WBA?
I Kote title but within Azuma ni name no ewo onumishi.
I Kote Alfred
Cobra Kunedu all of them. Joseph Agboko me fan I remember na title fan can be she near Changashi. After 10 years there wasn't any title until this guy came and break. Isaac Dogbe break.
He won that title at the arena.
No, it wakalete feeling kelete. You know, Philadelphia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
United of America.
Yes. No, Germany won title. Then after Richard Comino Texas, Dallas, Frisco. Ne no Jenny, Lawe nani ne. I think Meneno. Game Boy no IBO Danny. Richard coming back no. Emmanuel Tego. Danny Richard coming back no. IBF. She fan title say Tomo the previous boxer say.
Well, no jake esane GBA afi ne ha boxers motivation na ameke ba ranking na ke rating na no okay na what title.
Okay, ni biele p onangishi one ejo management. The management also need to encourage their boxers to fight good fights. Onumishi GBA ba fe shakishi. The parents now ba fe with each boxer. I mean, a boxer to a boxer I can feel very competitive. Onumishi ka fe to mo a hamukume no 8 mukume no 1 ba ko kelempe ona the seriousness nani ameka meyano ojogba ona. If the boxers are allowed to fight themselves, say I mean I'm a power o man say any fighter feel very competitive no family like show call lose na agba mu kan lose na agba no family ba fi fan say e ba no ska pe ni bi ojogba na agba ni agbenenwe exact official can be medical say I feel very well on me. Boxer I check lojo ba agashi every year NMS coffee time every 3 months I call ba no NS coffee even anti-doping can be we need to bring it on board. On a journey I can discourage boxers. She rather won't help Amekoni in the future can international opportunity on a jake back a half only the full your system a boxer. You need to know all this system before going into that. No, okay, GBA implement those kind of things. Trust me, we are going to get there.
Alright, what's your role as a general secretary of the GBA? Are you acting up to August 19th, or you are acting up to Congress time? What is your role with the GBA?
Biane, I've been appointed as the Secretary General, so I'm the Secretary General to run with whoever comes, whoever go, or whoever, whatever election that comes on, whoever wins. I'm as a Secretary General to run with them.
You have been appointed to get into Congress, right?
Well, I run the day-to-day affair of the GBA. So the only thing is that whoever comes, current board in normalization being Baju, I can be Baju, I'm additional months now make a to the Congress due. I am there to run. Whoever wins and comes there, we did the same person NIMA run officer with them.
So permanently you've been appointed by the National Sports
Exactly.
Authority.
In consultation with the GBA.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You've been there before.
Yeah.
Experience wise and the way no onani to na nuchumo thing.
GBA nuchumo ebe easy because me they accepted me back. I thank them because this show actually I've done something good for them and they still need me to continue. She nuchumo ebe easy. I don't sleep if I'm with GB all the time. Man can feel trouble, feel letter, feel neck, sake, but leave man quest, I could no, nuchumo be easy. Cry, American like is just need a easy. Men need to meet in let men know ni resume letters can even have sake, my favorite didn't work. Thursday, J show no, I can careful call your shin for any but you are working, so it's not a simple job ni me ba na keshi e kan shikeke.
Are you still secretary of other federations?
Oh yes, I mean no in Leketo. It has been part and parcel of me. Many all the time I come in federation come ni I handle everybody equally. Ni nchon na kan pepe no it has been part and parcel of me na kan jiboni nchon and info sha all the time in meet up they are in
expectations. About conflict of interest.
Tamɔ
Tomono secretary GBA permanent ne other sports who can be to more NM under sporting activity.
There's no conflict of interest here in meaning it's administrative work, no conflict of interest.
Well, obeshu akeke abaletomo I program kuye be I program kuye be ne isane
J Secretary General Abake programs. You don't go to programs. You are in the office working.
Not necessarily going to programs.
Yes.
But you know, there are some programs they may need a Secretary General for some 1 or 2.
So the only thing is that only you will plan your schedules. That's all. So planning your schedules enables you to meet whatever where you want to go. So no never fear and worry. But I cannot go with no tashi. Or you could no achoni. Cause she be no chonji or plan of pepe no meet or mafia. It's all about planning. Local plan lojoba on our issue.
Well, the punchline ne o kwebeke ne o mashiti no yo efia no wo ko wo keje atwa Ken Regina mi nga nye fe keje choko keba kolego no mamprobi sempe kebote gamashi buzia tafo efia ye no ko kejo bekene the punchline me keba eba hanye make Mr. Patrick Johnson leji the newly appointed Secretary General ke ha Ghana Boxing Authority because your studio well Patrick what we ko security situation your boxing arena, do you have idea about security?
I've been there before. No, in the no go few about security. Boxing organization. Na 1 or 2 promotions kumeni 18. Ni be come wo boxing fan a call control me. A little bit difficult for you, but if you get much security here, because in Lagashi, one promoter, ni Lagashi, if you put like make a 1 platoon, then chaniba. Apart from the police, can it be a 1 platoon? By like a banana kind, there's a much order. Yani no na here ringe na fi nibi nesa. No, apart from police, he also brings in private security before I get 1 platoon baba. And I know if you're very massive, but what fair was situation in your back, mostly when you meet that demand, say when you are bringing all those people, because it involves much money. Only 1 or 2 promoters come and you are filming. I make a men I can't buy. So security, we still need to, upgrade ourselves when it comes to boxing.
Okay, Olenoko, the last fight name Kwaya Bukum boxing arena. Me here ringside. Ni nake afon noko ya bottle me. Ona neba chamuko beer kose. Can it be mini no ba fe ya stands me top mini no ba fe ne kema jani bi fe akpa ne kema jani bi fe.
Ona gashi it involves so many things. One, I'm actually maturity FUTA, because no you on a point. Anya buy a crash sports stadium car trouble. It happens. No, we need to just manage it. Okay, akpa completely about because Jim Mofamo Yona can level-headed. Nine bana keke. I beat a person. You need to take it in good faith. Actually, it's sports. Ball. We have 5 minutes. About winning. No, we have to continue educating people on television, on radio, in paper, newspapers. Can it be fair? No, it's all about education. Only mission. As and when we continue educating people, we'll get to a time. If you look at the foreign countries, invade park, will be running through the park. Stop. It happened continuously. but once a while, but still they continue educating the people to stop that. And so until we continue educating them, till they stop, but we should expect it one way or the other. But it is something that we can still, manage.
Well, education how are we going to go around it?
So education, you are on radio, on television.
Okay, it's a never ya. Any fans say you more. Next year, what free programs could have?
Yes, so no one can tell me behind most like call there. Fight say, I invite or 2 boxes say they will roll to the public before fight even fight then check about sign a contract. So even at the day of signing the contract, any public bahana I take such an opportunity. I educate how do you call it, the public there. I can mention any no ni na game ni neke no kenya ba nyaka ba no a nyaka ba fa na keke few be na feel publicly I feel ni radio no I feel television no. So as and when can't continue I feel like I'm telling you it will sink and sink down to into the people, and people will start to understand whatever they have to do when they come to the arena.
Hama people question a few. What's your position? APBC is a body that train coaches and ring officials, and I'm the vice president to that. It's Africa. So we don't do promotion. No, we rather educate or train coaches, even catmen in boxing. We train officials how to officiate well. And in the war, Naka APB 7 and most of Ghanaian coaches have their licenses internationally. Onumishi. So it's a training courses rather than what you feel you can build up coaches and then officials worldwide. No, it's not a boxing body now. They are fighting. No, we rather educate and train coaches and then officials, judges, referees. Whatever that they are part of officiating. Well, can you combine the APC job and Secretary General the GB? Reggie J. Regpo Mayor officer need they affiliated to other bodies. I'm important to make a title to other bodies, boxing bodies. Need I give reps to their titles. Only so no one will J. Nuchumokuni. J. Nuchuma BBC Nuchuma until one international body will organize a program, then they will let me know. That's all. So you go there and I don't go there. I don't go. So okay, so yes, I have a technical director here who is Kaloko. Okay. So you mostly he does the boxing gym. Yes, so he does most of the work. No care about the training or training a BNA. He will handle all those things. Just I have to be informed. That's all. And Kaloko is the vice president of the United Coaches Association. Yes, he's the vice president. Okay. Yeah. What is your relationship with Ojabano, the current acting president? Oh, Nkelebe issue. Me and Dan, you actually call your boxing. Me know that Patrick Johnson a problem. Everybody a problem. Me as I seated here now, Roger Bano Nkelebe issue go cry. To the best of my knowledge, or when we are talking of boxing, Nkelebe issue go. The history of Ghana boxing. Ke enye Ghana boxing eyase ke enye ne wo yi obi ene no wo awi wo pa gbe papa no wo hie gbe papa no
be papa level here be papa no she me dan you age she mo fia mo ke the way ni e tani e run a administration ha abanya wobo reg as a boxing head allo head of Omashi TV ke oba boba focus more on radio oba bo believe jack radio aya boko ba e ba focus more on the human resource of the workers onumisi boko ba e ba kene ke no mo fia mo ni everything mo fia mo fio a build or organization to some level magagishin member inke me means money a clean a paint be a branding. Let me put it that way. It means more branding. No matter branding more. Olumsi shika buy branding more. Moko babe ba ke shika buy boxes more. Koni amenya no more international. So everybody with the way he wants to raise organization na ke with allow position na ke with. She feels let me tell you, it helps the organization in some way.
It helps the organization in some way.
Yeah.
To many ways.
To the development of the organization, because ke oba agbono ba ke say ke oba no o fe rating so like this organization human resources very strong etomo efe nego organization shamen like likewise when you go to a different organization you say agashi this organization I'm a worker say I'm a salary very high tomo yani human resources very good neke so everybody mo fiamo ye a lapses kenin na ayo SWOT analysis mo fiamo ye eshigbe mo keno wo mo no you have to you the organization you have to also transmit as of to omo le fio she mekuma no they do it more stronger on a particular category.
Well, what about promotion? Ghana be promotion. I mean, promoters. Promotion in general. To now, what promotion can the win of fear on the
Well, promotion one bombarding because it is not easy to come by, especially promoter ne keshke woni mo ba ba keke e promoter enyo na shikalo. I don't believe akeshi promoter ko if a promotion money e va kwa ke e accumulate ne na eshika ojogba ona shi ni eja akeshi no fiano na meke wo am promotion me amenya amena le back because nuchumo ebe easy cry no promotion one money she we need to sell it more to the let me say this residential people in quotes or to the elite more only she won't fair promotion too much on our side because previously in Lagashi promotion okay ya jirigano into cantonment into other places now with that people will see boxing, will accept boxing, will love boxing, and even if they haven't planned of coming into boxing to promote allo to manage and by family seeing it more will lure them to come into boxing. She be an effort to modern one fair boxing here one side because for my legacy is promotions for a fear kuye and la don promotions if you kuye la body hotel say so actually I'm a fear of a high quality standard azuma if promotions severally a Kimpiski only mention ko onameni ba onake performance son ko the boxing is very classic only show na actually abole afomoni bi jemonyo fe naka no this is where we have to focus our mind to only mission or drag one fe bi she the mono about focus na kan no me wa feel kun yo osu nchon onupa eba no na get very decent ona no nchon exactly what kwefeni e anu wonye build ojogba in boxing
be komene ho wa feel ko ye Kanishi companies
Yeah, Kalechi complex. Azumazinesi in sports complex. Yeah.
Miliaka, we are very versatile. Wow. How much a work pa in the echo? No wakwanoku. Bona, what year? Now me the Afcon.
Yeah.
Your Morocco. I mean, your bronze.
Yeah.
Kemba. Neko kwe to me, I mean, I'm a bomb. It's not the best for the pedigree of Ghana football. Women football, as far back 1991, Afcon, Omo, 2016, Wobo a modern third place, J no Kone, Wonako third place, Ekuda. But quite tournament, the way tournament, me, I would say our girls did very well. I'm in support of all women. Most of the time, women, sometimes I feel like what year where upper hand fear me feel onumshishi where cat ye feel loco a boy modern can me yegbeko can fear minta or make a wallet ona they end the best out of no need a feel onumshishi where to me I mean I can tell them what year it's timeless and what win the gold there but then I'm a modern. And in general, what do you have to say?
Well, not my Jagishi.
No, how a year, ne amite Afcon, one or two videos, pictures, could no work, Kajaja, Omashi TV, and no fun.
And not my Jagishi. I'm a bomodi.
Ko o quite Omashi TV, and 1 year, ne ame your bronze, your Morocco, ko o quite the tournament, Nigeria. I'm a really go there. Morocco, I'm a second. The Ghana, where you third. South Africa, you fourth. Okay, South Africa to third and fourth place. And South Africa, first match I'm a war, but no back by third and fourth place. One walk goes, walk a penalty. Where am I here on penalties? We call here Omashi TV no on our year ke ne am win good. The men who Kobe Waba studio. Well, the men who in I'm at the Parliament House. Ne I promise you I'm Skaku. The parliamentarians said then I may J Skaku feel ne America together ne America harm as a bonus. Can it be FAB who don't harm a bonus? Can it be some years ago? Kawate tournament ska ne I promise you I can how ne ame yeted ne me na ke will reward ya man. Ibaha ene ba motivate others. Na me I mean not much interest ye football me. Aloto oba we anything.
Oh well, na kan pepe because mo fa money e fi ono ko ye jele mi. Ke o motivate le e ba na fi mo. Nigeria ye ame abebu ko akeshi. Kan money choni ha bo elachagbi dan o pele. No, ye no chumo mi no ke chuni no ke shika we de ha le hiwaleko. Me fi o mini e ke bi o no chumo na ojogba. No motivation ele ehia mo fiamu. Ni ke bomo chuni ne efi no ni sa ni e deserve or why not? No, I think ageshi they should continue motivating them. They can't promise I'm no ka ba akani eche because bomo e sweat in the no ke ba e hiakeshi aba le koni le encourage le koni a family won na ageshi onu wo bi le or have such an opportunity allo le e choose a line. This is what she's been able to come out allo enakejemi no ke fe na ge han bomo onyu push ne push more shike o have promises ne deliver no fee kevie e Germany we many years say una na ageshi they can do better come kwa ma show me pray na I promise am me then let me find my way out no matter if you the potentials, the good ones here, you see them going out without doing what they're supposed to do to project the flag of Ghana high.
Well, about Ghana flag high, other tournament can be it's a motivation can reward Eba be ne isi. Okay, very good. Mr. Patrick Johnson, Legi Secretary General, Ghana Boxing Authority, make a your studio be the punchline they make bahanye the Omashi TV can radio once again I told me Ken Reginald Hamika Boacho be a who ne Wakanuku Kobe Kobe Akumasia Santa Kotoko I'm a National Cycle Council chairmanship. I'm a new chairman for I'm a supporters Neko Okwe Ina can me take AJ I'm here to money many but dwell much more on is Mr. Benjamin Obin Seche. Mr. Benjamin Obin Seche Lemu Bomoko Neka Acho Kotokomiye here Kotokose Keche Wow. Currently he is the second vice chairman for the Kodoko Circles Council. Neko Okwe Eje ke de Bakobi Ofane ka oye Mr. Benjamin Obin Seche video ye ne onha wokwe fio ne wotwe bolo ko wokole na mekwe Omashi TV no amena no ni wataw watchon ame Ofane.
It was at the end of the day no yetime esijinaye na yenya enipa baako a yenyina yebedi nachi ato aban amano obebe sase Obin Seche woni hwan Obin Seche obi a wo share ne supporters dumadie no mu ewo Oboase circle 32 dumre bi na circle se wo Oboase akofom eno nti me invite regional council se omumra dumadie na se eho ena chairman nantachi a no ye regional chairman a na munyina munim esdo wo yi kofo mienu se omumra na omume support dumadie no omo baaye omo hwema ho keka amede organize supporters na ena omo se enipa we ofata regional chairman not local chairman eno nti after dumadie no omo ma me call regional council meeting e call ye no so obo me ho mode wo bredu say ye to aba no me contest say e ma me wini as regional chairman for ARCC supporters and no me wini ye me fani ti nyina no mo ye aduma no na me nua solo ye part enti mo hwe me first appointment me fa chairman solo as me vice me organizer region na ono na edi organizing work ni dumadie e ma me normally no me year reshuffle a lot me ne wo year aduma na me hwe ne wa ho keka enso eni a quickly me sisa na me di nipa ko Friday abehye ho se ne be ya aduma no e be move on no breast say 4 years no do ye no me say nya akonya eko second term me second term no me call on opposed based on aduma me year no region no mo me nya akonya ko serve as executive member Kwamponsa administration a friend chairman K5 administration so to make us a bus supporters no dumadi a na suamwa de emuyi emre so say e be move akoye ni me ye aduma wo Anglo Gold Health Foundation Oboase AGA company no mines no hospital na me accountant e wo hono e ho so and as a corporate environment no ye pobi amana be ye leader ye pobi a why ye be paying whether it is hospital whether it is for mining wherever it is no ye hwe say ye be kwa kofo obi
no yo ye Omashi TV no ke radio no me ke Mr. Patrick Johnson the G Secretary General ke Ghana Boxing Authority. Mr. Patrick Johnson it's only a National Sports Council. The National Sports Council be Keleha GB and le football me, le sports fair me where ne you be le ha mi kele cho other sporting ni mi ne le hu ke ye no ko wi mu me padek ko ko cycle council ko be ku mi ne hu ke the way ne supporters am feel am ni bi ke this time I want the way na me feel am ni bi me no ba nyu
well onake in everything ka jinshi o ba gishi onale bonus akishi onale michomo fiamo ke jomo buga shike as time goes on o ba gishi ni agbene ni loyi in bami ideas have been accepted from all the corners ni are implement na can chinyo ba is careful na can any growth back I mean changes of how things go careful na can wa mo fiamo shike agency gidigide ko agi ni bi meneke ba set until they have a good vision, they have their vision, they have their mission need they run with it o ma ka gbe ni bi ba fe no finally every in human's life as you go forward you need to grow and you must grow until you said you don't want to grow anymore no obi ane previous amebo money mechanism ni bi ane your system and with the level of people now people are more given opportunity to educate their children. Now I see if you meet 2-3 people in an organization, they are all level-headed and learning people, so everybody comes out with a lot of ideas and the knowledge to run whatever. So bi ane I mean chuchu bi ebomodi she bi ane na they are still moving to the level that they want to be.
What do you think ake the problem ne ha what too most glamorous thing near your Ghana Kumasi Asante Kotoko has to folk I mean perform to the highest level.
No, it's a big problem because we have a managerial team to both clubs only mission management of Abiagishi. What are their plans towards the club previously Ariza called me, can it be what were their plans towards the team? The team was doing so much. What are the motivations they give to the people? Who are the coaches they do sign? Who are the players they sign? Only Mishi. Nita me felt I make a player say I'm a communication between the players and the management because they come here about you player you don't have right even to talk to management. Tomo player a prison. Olumishi. So all these things are part of things that will enable the whole club to grow from one stage to another. Who are the players that you are bringing on board? Are they qualified or buga players, Michon Beton players or experienced players? So that nibi a fan, I can be a hani team member. Shko kwe bane bechin these younger clubs by recently. They are now covering them.
The traditional clubs.
Yes, they are now covering this our
traditional clubs.
Yes, champion class no like KJ Accras of Co Accras of Kebe Asante Kotoko. Then the junior class fan baba ebe cover no baba kemino because they are implementing what they supposed to do. They are not doing and the junior clubs are rather doing. That's the reason why they are now running over them.
Kokwe what traditional clubs no yi obe ko ne ehu to mo bo fakata no isu yi opebre BA United ko United ko Big Brave other ones
all blacks can
be I'm a fair effect more I'm a take down meaning no ba fe no ka ba revive traditional clubs on akeko traditional clubs ba league e ha ko the league center o te venue go oh nah, to more atmosphere feel different.
Very different.
Other small teams, private or Mukome team, nefe private. Kote Jemwe is different. Kote Sunyani coordination pack. Then it's BA United Bofokatano. It's a different ball game altogether. Me have witnessed BA United and Bofokatano more than 10 times in my life. New York Kumasi, New York Kaka BA United, Kabofu, it's a different ball game altogether. By this time around, when they come again, BA.
Yes, it's like a owner like a cut or queer, a class of folk, J individual club.
Limited liability company.
Exactly. Called Asante Kotoko.
Asante Kotoko is a different from Hasifo. I said Asante Kotoko is being owned by Otekoko, so
fine. Nika Okwe Great Olympics. Onumishi. When I can have a club say amateur, but they are still doing what? Functioning. I'm a bigger example. Called Liberty. Ni I'm a owner Jim Nekano. Alaji Slated. May so rest in peace.
Perfectly.
Ni a Jim Nekano Bashi. Then the club started dropping till now. Then you know that I can Liberty Ashe. Kaji Yanko and I can see the Liberty will be among the top. Because it was running by him alone. On and no clubs a foreign class P J Mokume Nirano. I mean run by the even the let me say the
board and staff.
Not that, but let me say the community.
Yes.
The community
but
runs the need.
A community based in specific.
And so by that who runs the show itself.
It was an individual showmanship.
Exactly. But if you have the bigger background there, everything is clear on board. The thing is running already, so it will just link and go through. Benezaka place ne, Benezaka ahon place ne, Benezaka. The structures are there. No kefina kehani nuchumo feel easier. Kemokume jemijo, mokume jemijo, mokume resign, mokume resign. The structures are there, so the structures will run the club. Only me. Just structures say better if one man show pay when the person is not there anymore. Even ke more po a boku, neke resign me club here.
There's a vacuum.
There's a big vacuum. Okay, meaning me a few. Ingbe she. Kenny in a wag can be a fee. But if it is they are behind and they have the structure, I mean it runs the club to wherever they want the club to be. That is where other corporate people comes in to also support, to get their shares and everything. Then the club will be running, making its profit to whoever contributes into it.
Patrick, our sports in general, as a country, Ghana, our whole sports in general, I mean all the lesser known sports, men kabako enjoy bikra. It mean modi no be for say the 2 years so. Our sports is totally down. What is the cause of our sports? Gone are the days. Go check athletics. Catch Lioma Mills. Check Cartofo. Aziz Zakari. Onimishi. Check Vida and Nim. Ona. Check Bear Kume. No Nake Aya tournament. Aya athletic championship. You see, we were there. Many G4, many G were problem this time around. When you want that sports in order.
Well, me done in your action. Look, education and sports should have been.
Hand in hand.
I'm telling you, education and sports. Because behind school there are some athletes who performing in. I mean, classes still goes on. In Chalaga, that is what you have chosen to do. She first said like aya as a school,
yes.
Aba as a school, and that is where we were picking up most of the talented athletes
the
from. Exactly. At least any elite athlete is going to amend his or her signature on anything. He can read and understand whatever he's going to. I mean, commit him or herself into. So I believe actually education and sports, I mean, makes
you have to start from the basic schools. Right?
Seriously.
Go to
seriously.
The zonals, super zonals, districts, the regionals, then we come to the national championship.
Exactly. No fear me travel the fan, don't try table tennis
NSC. Many advice ne KFA, we can take technical meeting, annual general meeting, they come together. Many KFA you
or whatever you think Agashin is right, definitely you tell your seniors, and they also me Agashi when they do their due diligence. I mean, they do have meetings with us, and we also, and they are
Only
very,
okay.
very competent. I mean, leaders that run with they are running the NSC. So I'm a well experienced. No, not funny is like I'm a feel like pepe because we believe in them.
Once again, the punchline ne meke bahanye ye Omashi TV ke radio air no. Acho meke Reginald, meke Mr. Patrick Johnson, Secretary General ke Ghana Boxing Authority, the year studio BN. We're live on Facebook and other social media. Fair meke ne we're live here. FIA what be FAB masumo ake ni BP ne meke Mr. Patrick Johnson Babutemi wa we meke ba wie ni na time what schedule what time juba no akwa ake be sa ne ye wo here manyama na le bie ko ne ko ke bote ni bi ni juba ke hanye efia nye ko keje gbekene acho meke Reginald midaboshin ake bohu onabe no onabe ake okoe ye Omashi TV no bo wetu e radio no bole ake gama noni ne woba no oke ame ba tuni sa no wakase owie mu no wakase ame ni fi no oke ame fe ahishi juba ake cha omanye aba
TV ajatwenme kemenche
Patrick Johnson oye no kone uba wiye ke ha okole ko tebule
Fane minda mo fama shakeshi meni tuebo like kweloi aka yo ajo nye fe ni nye ya no nye kwe Omashi TV ame disappointed.
Okay, what disappoint you? Let me then check.
Omashi TV ajatwenme
Punchline Baba. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. Here. Mitabie, make a bongo ke other sports team, other colleagues, sports team. Monday 1 to 2, Wednesday 1 to 2, Friday 1 to 2, and Friday evening 8 to 9. The big fight night. Okay, behind you, Mole, Omashi, sports in general, Woji #1. I try me Reginald. Thank you for your time.
ajatwenme kemenche